What are T cells and their role in brain tumor treatment? What exactly are T cells, and how do they play a role in treating brain tumors? T cells are a type of white blood cell that are essential for our immune system. They help identify and destroy infected or abnormal cells, including cancer cells. In the context of brain tumors, especially malignant ones like glioblastoma, T cells are being utilized in innovative ways through immunotherapy. This approach aims to specifically target and eliminate tumor cells while protecting healthy brain tissue. T cells recognize cancer cells by detecting unique proteins known as antigens. These antigens can be found on the surface or within tumor cells. Recent advancements in immunotherapy have allowed scientists to engineer T cells to enhance their ability to locate and kill brain tumor cells. One notable method is called adoptive T cell therapy. In this process, T cells are collected from a patient or a donor, genetically modified to express receptors that can recognize tumor-specific antigens, multiplied in large quantities, and then infused back into the patient. There are two primary types of engineered T cell therapies being explored for brain tumor treatment. The first is T cell receptor transgenic T cells. These T cells are modified to express receptors that can identify antigens found inside tumor cells. This is significant because it allows targeting of proteins that are not visible on the cell surface. For instance, T cells engineered to target the PTPRZ1 antigen, which is associated with glioblastoma's stem cell properties, have shown promising results in laboratory studies by selectively killing tumor cells while sparing normal cells. The second type is chimeric antigen receptor T cells, often referred to as CAR T cells. These T cells are designed to recognize specific proteins on the surface of tumor cells. They combine the ability to recognize antigens with signals that activate T cells, enabling them to directly attack cancer cells. CAR T cell therapies have seen great success in treating blood cancers and are now being adapted for brain tumors. Recent clinical trials have indicated that dual-target CAR T cell therapies can slow tumor growth and even shrink tumors in aggressive brain cancers like glioblastoma, which typically have low survival rates. However, there are challenges in using T cell immunotherapy for brain tumors. The brain has a unique immune environment that can suppress the activity of immune cells. Additionally, delivering T cells effectively to the tumor site can be difficult. Tumor heterogeneity, where cancer cells differ in their antigen expression, can allow some cells to evade immune detection. Furthermore, tumors can produce immunosuppressive factors that inhibit T cell function. Ongoing clinical trials are investigating ways to overcome these challenges. Researchers are looking into combining T cell therapies with other treatments, improving how T cells can reach the brain, and targeting multiple tumor antigens at once. In summary, T cells are vital players in the immune system and are being actively developed as powerful tools in brain tumor immunotherapy. Their ability to specifically recognize and destroy tumor cells brings hope for better outcomes in brain cancers like glioblastoma. However, these treatments are still largely experimental and should only be administered under professional medical supervision within clinical trials or approved protocols. For anyone considering or undergoing T cell-based therapies, personalized medical advice is crucial.